Hey guys, welcome back to Drawing. Today I've got a special suggestion for a nuclear plans for a nuclear generator, sorry. So, I mean, this is a very common doodle that people do. Most people do, you know, a big complex idea, but you see, I've got the brains. So we're gonna start off, right? So we're gonna create the building. So this is where the nuclear generator will be stored. So we're gonna plan out how this is going to work. So we have we've got an entrance here. It's a door, by the way. Exit here, because you don't want people, you know, mixing up. Yeah, so in and out. Then you get the big middle room. This is where the good stuff happens. So in comes the nuclear, that's what I'm going to call it. Okay, that's where the nuclear comes from, the entrance. We have a little machine at the back. This is where the waste comes from. So the waste comes out and people carry it out into the place over there. Now what's actually going on inside here? Oh, also, here's a little side room so they can get out if they, you know, they put it in, walk around, go out. Didn't make that clear enough, I'm sorry. So it goes in on like a little treadmill. Yep, goes on a treadmill. Perfect. And then this is when the wizard comes along, okay? He's got his big beard. He comes along. Yeah. And he's got his little wand. And he turns the nuclear into energy, which gets taken in this pipe. And the pipe will go out that way. But don't worry, it's on the roof, so they can't see it. So that goes through there. Then, the remaining bits, the wizard decides he doesn't want to deal with it. So it goes out here, where a guy will grab it. You grab the waste and carry it that way. Pretty standard stuff. And I'm kind of surprised this method hasn't really been used for creating energy that much. I know there's plenty of other nuclear generators out there, but I think this one's the one you want to go for. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you are an energy company, do your homework.